Hi everyone, this is again Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. So I'm very excited to feature once again a brand new home here in BF Homes Parañaque. It's this property at Payback. So it's a corner lot, house and lot dito sa may BF Homes. So samahan niyo ako as I give you a tour about this property. Tara! Okay, so from the outside, you can see over here, there's a landscape garden and then on my left side nandito yung car garage natin. This one can fit up to 2 vehicles on this side, but this property can accommodate up to 5 because there's another car garage on the other side of the property, so that can fit up to 3 more vehicles, so that's a total of 5. So tara, pasok tayo. Okay, so as we step inside the property, the first thing that you will see is a landscape garden over this side. So there's a santol tree over here. Then there's good greeneries, good garden landscape. Then if we go to this side, nandito yung other car garage that I mentioned earlier. So there's enough space to cover and accommodate up to 3 more vehicles. So there's additional 2 car ports over here. Then dun sa side na yon, there's another 2 more car spaces na pwede. So if you have guests, so there's enough car spaces for them, no, sa property na to. Okay, then if you see yung facade ng property, the finishes used, it's good. So there's fluted wall, then there's good glass window. Then ayan, pasukin natin to check out the rest of the house sa loob. Tara. Okay, so welcome to your future home. So this is the main entrance. If you see, it's a solid wood made of mahogany. And then as you step inside the property, you have all these spaces. You can turn this to your living area. And then over this side, this can be your dining area. And both sides, they have a sliding door, so that could be a source of natural light and ventilation inside the property. So from this side, if you turn this to your dining area, it gives you immediate access to the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. And then you have an island counter over here. The materials used dito is quartz, so it's a better quality than the usual granite, no? And then there's a good lighting over here. Then you have a lot of storage. So kitchen cabinets here, more quartz countertop, then mga installed kitchen cabinets and additional storage. So imagine yourself preparing food for your loved ones over here. So you have enough space. So if you're into cooking, no? Okay, then there's provision for your appliances, for your oven, for your refrigerator, for microwave oven. So you have all the provisions here. And then if you notice, the property is a high ceiling. So there's clove lighting. But if it's daytime, given that it's a corner property, so there's so much natural light that is passing through the glass window, coming from here, there, and over there. So, yun, that's why maganda yung property kasi nga it's a corner lot, kaya there's so much natural light sa loob. So the first bedroom is here on the ground floor. So it's this one. So this can be like a guest room maybe, or if you live with some elderly, so you can turn this to their room, and it comes with a built-in cabinet already, and of course its own toilet and bath with really good finishes as well. Okay, then let's check the rest of the house. So from here, from the kitchen area side, there's another access over here. Dito naman, this is the access for the helper's room kasi nandito yung side ng helper's room. And then may dirty kitchen din dito sa labas. So there's the dirty kitchen over here, and then the staff room is also here, no? And then what's good about the staff room, they have their own access coming from the inside over here, pero there's access if coming from outside, meron silang sariling gate dito. Ayan. So mas may security, and for ano din, for privacy, no? So hindi siya yung open lang na area going towards the staff room. Okay, so now from the kitchen area, again, there's a sliding door over here. Then there's a powder room dito for your guests. Okay. Come on, check it out. Okay, then let's go to the second floor. So dito, all the wood that you see are all made of mahogany. So that's the material used. So pag akyat pa lang, there's this huge window that again adds natural light dito sa pag-akyat sa property. And then it's a high ceiling. You can also add maybe a chandelier over there sa taas. Then on the second floor, the first that you'll see is this huge hallway, and there's windows over here that again adds natural ventilation. Kasi ayan, you can just simply open this and there's air flowing inside. So before we go to the best part dito sa second floor, let's first check out the other bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. So you can turn this to maybe your kids' room. It has its own toilet and bath. And of course, the spacious bedside. So this can fit queen size bed. Then you can add side table, ganyan. And of course, it comes with a built-in cabinet. Okay? Then there's another room here. All the rooms comes with its own built-in cabinet and of course a toilet and bath. And it's spacious enough to have maybe a queen size bed, then one side table, then nandun yung toilet and bath natin. Okay, then next is this room. This one is an inner room, but there's a bigger built-in cabinet. Then this is the room. Itong side na to, you can turn this to maybe an office area. You can set up your computer table over here if maybe you do work from home. Or if you have kids still studying, pwede itong maging study area nila. And again, with the same finishes of toilet and bath. Okay, so now onto the best part sa second floor. Let's go to the main room. So this is the master's bedroom. It's a corner bedroom. So what's good about dito sa room na to, it has its own balcony. But before we go there, check out the toilet and bath. So the toilet and bath comes with a walk-in closet. There you go. So then there's good finishes inside. The sink, the mirror, the flooring, the shower head, the toilet bowl. So everything is all set, and it's ready to use. So on this side, this can fit to maybe a king size bed. And then you have a balcony over here. And look at the balcony. It's huge enough if you want to maybe set up like a morning coffee table. So you don't have to go downstairs to take a sip of coffee. Just be out here at your own balcony and appreciate just the surroundings and your neighborhood. So yeah, I hope that you like this property tour that we just did here in BF Homes, Parañaque. So if you like this property, just send me a message either via WhatsApp, Viber, call and text me, anything you want. So it would be better if we could maybe arrange a time to visit this property to see it in person, because if you like it through this video, I'm sure you'll like it even more when you see this property in actual. So yeah, I hope to see you soon, and please continue to like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular updates sa mga listings namin. So again, this is Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next tour. Bye!